A major recall has been announced involving one of the most widely prescribed cholesterol drugs in the United States. Over 140,000 bottles of Atorvastatin Calcium, the generic version of Lipitor, have been pulled from shelves after concerns were raised about how the tablets dissolve in the body. The recall, issued by Ascend Laboratories, affects several dosage strengths and bottle sizes that were manufactured by Alkem Laboratories in India and distributed in the US. The Food and Drug Administration classified this as a Class 2 recall, meaning the problem could cause temporary or reversible health effects, but serious harm is considered unlikely. Details of the recall. According to the FDA, a total of 141,984 bottles of Atorvastatin Calcium are being recalled. The issue stems from tablets that may not dissolve properly, which could prevent the medication from releasing its active ingredient as intended. Atorvastatin is a critical medication used to help lower cholesterol and reduce the risk of heart disease and stroke. If a tablet doesn't dissolve correctly, it may reduce the drug's effectiveness, especially for patients relying on consistent cholesterol control. The affected bottles include strengths of 10 mg, 20 mg, 40 mg, and 80 mg in counts of 90, 500, and 1000 tablets. Each batch has a unique lot number, and those numbers range from D00172026 through D00202026. What consumers should do. If you are currently taking Atorvastatin, check your medication label carefully. Look for the manufacturer name, Ascend Laboratories, and compare your lot number with those listed in the recall. Do not stop taking the medication without consulting your healthcare provider. Sudden discontinuation can cause your cholesterol levels to rise, increasing your risk of serious cardiovascular complications. Instead, contact your doctor or pharmacist right away if you believe your prescription is part of this recall. They can advise you on whether you should return the medication and help arrange a replacement. Why this matters. Atorvastatin remains one of the most commonly prescribed drugs in the world for cholesterol management. A recall of this scale raises important concerns about manufacturing oversight and the quality of generic drugs many Americans depend on daily. Still, the FDA notes that the current recall is precautionary, and the risk to most patients remains low. The biggest concern is reduced effectiveness, not toxicity or contamination. Conclusion. If you or someone you know takes Atorvastatin, take a moment to verify the product details and speak with your healthcare provider if you have any concerns. It's always better to be safe, especially with medications that directly affect heart health. Subscribe for more breaking recall alerts and health updates that keep you and your family informed.